Today I will try to turn this portrait to a faded desaturated look using only the free features in Lightroom app and Snapseed. After importing to Lightroom, first I will try to brighten the skin tones. So in the light menu, I will increase the highlights. Then decrease the shadows to give the image a contrasty look. Little increase in the exposure. Also increasing the whites with 2-finger slide. This gives a visual representation on where the brightest spots are getting clipped. That is, when you start seeing the colored spots, those spots start losing details. I don't mind going a bit overboard here. Same with the black slider. Next, going to the color menu mix, that is the HSL sliders for color tuning. Here I will try to desaturate most of the colors other than the skin tones. First blues, decrease the saturation. Also reduce the brightness. Move the hues a bit towards aqua. Here you can see where the color aqua is present. I will make this color more bluish by sliding towards blue. Reduce the saturation and luminance a bit. Next, I will completely darken the greens and also desaturate. Next, I will pop the flowers a bit by moving the yellows towards orange and adding saturation and brightness. Next, the oranges, which affects the skin tones. Here I will increase the luminance to brighten the face. Also add a bit of saturation. And add a bit of luminance to the reds. Coming back, a bit of vibrance to the overall image. Next, with the split tone in the effects menu, I will add a bit of blue to the shadows, which gives a blue tone to the darker areas. To smoothen the skin and further edits, I will export this to Snapseed. Here in Snapseed, I will directly go to the portrait filter and choose the preset which gives the skin a smoother look. This is just a personal preference. Here's the difference it makes. Also choosing fair here. To make the image more interesting, I will add a bit of vignette with the vintage filter and the preset 12. Then with masking, that is, tap the stacks icon on the top right, view edits, vintage filter, and with the effect applied and the brush value at 0, I will brush over the face and other parts to remove the effect a bit, which gives these parts some pop. Next, with the curves, I will add some contrast with the faded effect by dragging the lower point a little upwards. As the eyes are a little more darker after this edit, I will remove the effect on them with masking. So here's the final result of our various edits in Snapseed. Thanks for watching.